Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making an ABDC iced latte. Now I know a lot of people thinking like, what? I think she making that up. And you're exactly right, because I did make it up. And what that consists of, I'm gonna use an item with the A, a B, a C, and a D to make my iced latte. Now for the A, I'm gonna use some avocado. I never did use this in iced coffee, only a smoothie, but we're gonna find out today. For the B, that brown sugar. Now I was thinking about should I use a combination of banana, but I've used a banana recently for the Dunkin' lineup, the homemade version. So I said I ain't gonna do it this time. I gotta have it sweet. Believe that. Oh, I ain't finna make it. For the C, coffee. Also too, for the C, you can use coconut milk. Smart, ain't it? And for my D, I got date paste. And that actually consists of dates that I put a little bit of boiling water, gonna get soft for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I blended it up. It's gonna be like a little bit soupy, as long as you don't put too much water, but once you put it in the refrigerator, it's gonna like get like this. That's about it for the ABCD. Now for the regular, I'm gonna put a little salt, use my heavy whipping cream, whole milk. So yeah, now I'm done. Let's get started. Alright, I'm gonna do my coffee first. This is the date paste. Okay, I'm gonna put another one. If you want to put yours less, you can, but I'm not. You better not say nothing about it either. Well, if you do, I really don't care, so it don't matter. Go ahead and talk. Alright, I'm gonna use a little bit of coffee now. 1.5, so it's pretty much 2.5. I'm gonna use a little bit of my salt, milk, pour a little bit in here, a little bit more out there, but I just need a little bit to blend it. Smell good and look good. I'm gonna put more milk and blend it up again. Alright, with a little light skin, but hey. Okay, I'm gonna make my cold foam. Now, this is what I'm gonna use the avocado. You can say the rest. Make you some guacamole or something. Or smoothie. Or if you wanna make another one, iced coffee like this. Iced latte. Brown sugar. About like 2 teaspoons. I want it kind of sweet. Using my whipping. It is frozen. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of milk. Thought you finna mess up my, nah. You ain't finna mess up my day or my coffee. I got you. And let's go ahead and blend this up. Alright. Okay, I want it a little bit thinner. I'll put in some more of this slightly frozen. Got the freezer. And I'm putting my coffee. I can't even tell this. I take my hand being away. Not away, y'all. Some of my fingers. Okay, now I tell you, I wanted the top to be like this green color barely because it kept sinking. I'm praying to God this is sweet enough, but I didn't want to taste it until now. First, I'm gonna get into it before I swirl it around. It is giving a healthy coffee version. 1 packet of stevia. Let's stir this up. See if they change. And I ain't finna oopsie daisy me no more. You know when a person make a mistake? Oopsie! Well, this is a mistake or intentional. It's incorporated more. Just a teensy bit of sweeter, but barely. If I didn't know avocado was in here, I would be able to tell like some type of earthy type of thing in here. Hopefully not matcha, because avocado tastes better than matcha. Yuck! In Ariana voice. I want you. Is it 100% nasty? No. If I want to spend money on it, heck no. It's enough for me. I guess for free, I might drink a little, but probably not even all. I'll probably drink all of this, but I'm gonna add some brown sugar. I was trying to do it without putting that brown sugar in the date part. The date supposed to be up. It remind me of dates right now, not back in the days. Cause back in the days, the man courted you and took you out and they expect nothing in return. Cause they spent a little money on you. Now they spend $1. They expect for. Now I'm not saying if they spend $100 that you're supposed to give it up on the first date. I'm not saying that at all. But what I'm trying to say is just a difference between the dates in the past, and I'm not saying all of them because some of them probably like that, but also the dates now. They're barely dates right now, but if they do it, I ain't making no sound, but it's a piece of lonely. Yeah, I try to make you sweet with just the dates. That didn't do no good. Just like the dates right now, ain't no good. I gotta put some sugar on you to make you sweet. I probably put like a tablespoon. Piece of bologna. You jive turkey. Hopefully, I'll be able to taste the brown sugar. I can't taste it more. I still taste that avocado earthiness. It do taste a lot better. Now, when I buy this, now since it got the brown sugar in it, only if it was, because it's not my really regular go-to coffee. I want to get an iced coffee or a latte with avocado in it. Just not going to do it. But if it was like $2 or less, I probably would. If it was free, oh yeah, definitely. To pay like, how these coffee shops doing now. I'm good. I'm good. I don't want that. Alright then, y'all listen. Okay, this is another day. I decided to do a retake on this. Now I lined it with this time with the date paste. So you see this color as well as the avocado. I made the avocado. I put more sugar in it. More brown sugar. Yeah. And when I taste it tastes so good, and then I'm tasting it also. Yeah, won't give me again. Inside of this cup, I have my coffee. I actually added the avocado, because the first time I didn't add the avocado besides the cold foam. I added like a tablespoon of the avocado mixture as well as 3 of the spoonfuls of the date paste. I shook it up and put in my ice. I'll pour in my coffee. Again, I also added some salt in here already too. I made my cold foam, the avocado, and that's with the sugar in it already. To mix it. I like how this looking too, because the first one, the green little part, the cold foam was like sinking in, so you couldn't really tell. It's standing up now. First it was sitting down, now it's standing up. Standing up now. And no, not like a sore thumb. It's here, we healed over here. Yeah, and you're still sticking out. Believe that. I would not be on camera, but I will be drinking it though. First I'm gonna drink it before I stir it to see. It is a lot more better. Let me stir it. More sugared up, like how I like it. Yeah, the first one it tasted more like earthy. You could tell this. You could tell something in it, but it's not bad because it's sugared up. You still can taste it. You definitely taste that coffee, and you taste that sugar. This is good. Now it's not fully combined how I wanted, due to the fact I think it was what was it? It was the coffee. Now usually I'll take that and shake it up or something like that. I didn't do it this time. Also too, I added the dates and the avocado mixture to it, Now I should have combined it better. Like I said, I should have had like a food processor since my frother is messed up. So it could have been combined a little bit more, but it don't take away from it at all. It's good. Now the last time I said I wouldn't get this at all. If it was free, somebody give it to me, then yeah, I probably would, but barely. This one, I actually will pay for this. This ain't bad. I would give this 8.9. This is the route to go. The avenue, the street, the road, the court. This is the route. Yeah, blessed day.